Alright y'all, this what's up. So I got the carb out, right? And all these little screws wanted to strip. So I decided to stop before I strip them and make it hard, even harder to get them out. And right here, as you can see, those two screws are different than the rest of them. There's 3 of them like that. So that's telling me that somebody has been messing with this carburetor already at one point. So I'm gonna put it back on the bike. That way I can run the bike and it doesn't sit, because I don't want the battery or anything to go dead, and I don't want the bike to sit. So what I'm gonna do is put it back in, and we'll go right there. And all of those intakes are gonna hold the carb in. So I'll get back to y'all whenever I get it in. Alright, so carber's back in. Didn't take very long. All I gotta do is tighten up all the screws and reattach all the lines. This line, hold on, see if I can get my flash going. No? Alright, anyway, this line, dang, can't see it, but it's gonna go there. And once I get all the lines connected, it should start right back up, no problem. So I'll connect all the lines and get back to y'all. I think the next video, since I can't run the bike or drive it or anything, it will either be me doing the rear pads or a tip video on new riders. So if y'all got a preference, leave it in the comments and I will get back with y'all with that video. So that's about it. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, hit the button, and we good. So till later.